All right, everyone. Welcome sa ating revamp na Grumperiodicals, no? So, to those na hindi pa nakakaalam, we have moved our schedule around a bit. So, mag-alternate na yung Grumperiodicals and yung market overview natin. So, last week, we had the market overview. This week, Grumperiodicals naman. And then that will just keep going on and on and on. Okay? Now, what this does is it allows me to accumulate more news items kaysa na pinipilit ko kada linggo kahit na di naman super interesting just to be able to release a video, no? Okay? Also, nagdagdag ako ng bagong segment dito sa Grumperiodicals natin entitled Coffee Time. Kasi na-realize ko na lagi ko sinasabi na isa sa mga purpose nito is makapagkwentuhan sa inyo pero wala naman ako naikwento sa mga nangyayari sa akin. Okay? So I decided na, okay, tama lang na maglagay tayo ng maikling segment para lang makapagkwento ako ng konti. Diba? What I've been doing sa trading and so on, no? And hopefully you find that interesting. Tapos kung meron kayong mga narinig doon that you want me to expound on, you can let me know in the comment section below and maybe we can make a different video out of that, or perhaps it's something that I can discuss more sa next episode ng Grumperiodicals. Okay? Now, before we continue, no? As always, credit where credit is due. Shout out sa mga Inquirer, Bilyonaryo, Mercado Barkada, Philippine Star, and so on. Yung mga sources na pinagkukunan ko ng news. Okay? If you're interested in checking them out, I put links to all of them in the description box below for your convenience. Okay? So, baka iniisip nyo, mali yata yung pagkabasa ni GT eh. So, please go ahead. Check them out. Okay? Now, magsimula tayo sa coffee time muna. Okay, since siya yung new segment, di ko pa honestly alam saan siya ilalagay. Maganda ba siya dito sa simula? Gusto nyo ba sa gitna? Gusto nyo ba sa huli? Let me know, no? In the description, in the comment section. Kasi syempre, para sa inyo naman to. So, let me know kung saan nyo siya gusto para mas maganda yung entrada natin. Right now, personally, hindi pa ako 100% sure saan siya maganda. So, I've decided to start off with it para tuloy-tuloy na tayo sa mga news items natin mamaya. So, the past 2 weeks, medyo hindi ganun aganda yung merkado natin, no? So, I've been focusing more of my attention sa Forex. In fact, the week prior, I took a USD JPY long, meaning pataas, no? Bullish move. And that worked out okay naman. We got the breakout that we wanted. Umabot siya dun sa liquidity pool or sa double top na tinitignan ko. Tapos, the breakoutan pa niya yan and it moved further to the upside. Unfortunately, hindi ko nasakyan yung buong move, no? As is yung usual na nangyayari based on the style I use to trade the market. But that's okay. It still worked out fine, yung trade na yon. Decent gains were made, so that's good. And then this week naman, hindi ko na-identify na maganda yung bias ko. It didn't work out, so there were no swing trades to take sa Forex, but I was able to take a couple of scalps, no? Meaning mabilisang trades lang. Still decent gains, but since I bet smaller kapag sa mga scalps, not as good as kapag nag-swing ako. Now, the scalp that I got this week, the better one, was in Euro JPY. So, naka 3:1 din tayo doon. So, that's decent. That's pretty decent for a week, no? So, kunyari, nagbet ka ng 1% per trade. That's still a 3% addition to your portfolio or to your account. Sa PSE naman, this week, nakakuha na rin ako ng trade. Last week, wala talaga akong makita, honestly. There was nothing clean to trade outside of yung minamanage mo, yung mga hawak mo na there was no new trades to take. This week, nagkaroon na. I was able to bounce trade yung EMP. I got in around 12.3. Then yung stop ko nun was 12.16 and the target was 13.72, no? Mabilis naman siya mag-resolve. 1 day lang na-resolve na yung trade. As of this recording, tumataas pa ng konti yung EMP, but that's okay. Tapos na ako doon sa trade na yun. It was a quick bounce trade lang just based on the way na gaano kalakas bumaksak yung EMP, diba? Yung price niya parang tuloy-tuloy, ilang malalaking pulang candle. So when it got to an area of interest, talaga nakatutok na ako sa kanya. So quick trade, roughly 9:1, 10:1 na risk reward kasi I was betting 14 cents, diba? The risk was 14 cents and then yung reward was around 1.40 something, no? So roughly 10:1. With comms, mga 9:1. Not bad na rin. Okay, kayo, kamusta yung linggo nyo? Were you guys able to trade anything? Or in cash lang kayo? Iwas-iwas muna sa market? Let me know, no? Kwentuhan nyo rin ako sa mga ginagawa nyo in the comment section below. Now, tuloy na po tayo sa mga news items natin. News item number 1, the BNCOM or Bank of Commerce IPO is finally underway, no? As I mentioned in the previous video ng Grumperiodicals, nagkaroon ng delay yung mga IPO because I think PSE was working out yung contract or language para maiwasan na moving forward yung nangyari sa SRO ng dito, no? So, I'm hoping na because na-release na tong BNCOM na IPO, ay na-resolve na nila yung mga detalye na yon moving forward. And because of that, ayun nga, maiwasan na yung mga ganong types of drama in the future. Now, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, I've posted a video on the BNCOM IPO. Okay, I'm gonna put a link to that in the description box below for your reference in case you're wondering, am I trading it? Am I investing in it? And so on. Please go check out that video. For summary lang, kung baga, okay naman yung mga gusto nilang paggamitan ng pera, no? Hindi lang ako 100% sure if the market conditions are optimal for an IPO. Medyo tuloy-tuloy din kasi tayo eh. Kung hindi lang nagkaroon ng issue ng delay sa side ng PSE, walang pahinga eh. Sunod-sunod lang talaga yung IPO eh. Okay? In connection to this lang, I just wanna quickly mention, yung Raslag na IPO, wala pang balita. Dapat kasabay niya tong BNCOM eh. Pero wala pang bagong news about it. So, hintay-hintay muna tayo. Once na magkaroon ng balita tungkol do sa Raslag, I'll be sure to make an update video for it. Okay? Next news item number 2, yung SPNEC shareholders approves the massive assets for share swap, no? So, hindi naman po ito nakakagulat. We just wanted to make it official na okay, aprobado na. However, hindi pa rin po 100% complete yung detalye nitong massive assets for share swap na to. At the very least, not at the time of this recording, no? So, kung merong mga bagong detalye or mas na maging kompleto na yung detalye with regards to this assets for share swap, I'll be sure to make a video for it for all of you para lang maging mas malinaw kung ano yung nangyayari na ba dito sa SPNEC. All I can tell you is a lot of mga nababasa ko online have been quite bullish. Yung Abacus, okay, shout out sa Abacus for this blurb, no? May nabasa ako na tweet or something that they're expecting na yung new target price for SPNEC could be as high as 3 point something or 4 pesos because of this. Pero, syempre, with the caveat na if and when new information comes out, pwede pong magbago yung figure na yon. So, you know, take it with a grain of salt. Hindi po porket sinabi ng broker, ibig sabihin dapat all in na tayo. Okay? Konting ingat pa rin po. Sunod lang tayo sa mga sistema natin, sa mga parameters natin, and so on. Okay? Next, the Department of Budget and Management releases 3 billion fuel subsidies, discounts amid rising oil prices. So, I'm glad they're doing this and I hope na makita talaga natin yung epekto ng buong amount, no? Lalo na sa mga naghihirap natin ng mga jeepney drivers and so on. So, sana yung mga public vehicles talagang ma-maximize nila tong subsidy/discounts na to. Now, how it's going to be implemented, hindi pa ako 100% sure. Okay? Normally, kung di ako nagkakamali, ang nangyayari sa mga ganito is may special lane yung mga public vehicles or kung di man special lane, meron silang special discount na makukuha outright pag pumunta sila ng gas stations, no? So, kunwari, sabihin natin you're a private vehicle, you go there on your car, sabihin natin yung presyo ng gas sa'yo is 90 pesos, kunwari lang ha. Tapos sila, makukuha nila for example at 85 or 80 pesos or what have you. Okay, so hopefully because of this, hindi naman po gano'ng maapektuhan yung ibang kababayan natin, lalo na yung mga mas nagko-commute. Sana hindi sobrang laki yung tama sa kanila given na nagbigay naman ng subsidy and discount because of the rising oil prices. Now, kita nyo naman yung nangyayari sa presyo ng oil, diba? Because of the whole Russia-Ukraine thing. And it's been crazy. Okay? The same goes for nickel and everything else, no? So, kung kaya natin magtipid ng konti, di ba? Bike-bike na lang muna or lakad-lakad na lang muna. Might be for the best. Hopefully, sooner rather than later, mag-stabilize yung price, bumaba sila ulit to a more reasonable level. Kasi right now, medyo borderline kalokohan na talaga eh. Diba? So hopefully, sooner rather than later, magkaroon ng maayos na peace talks, umayos na to. And from there, mas umokay na ulit because, you know, all of this doesn't help inflation and everything that could go on sa ekonomiya natin. News item number 4, CPJ or yung Century Property Group is in talks to take over Camp John Hay, no? So, yung lease ng group ngayon na may hawak ng Camp John Hay is set to expire in 2046 pa. So, medyo matagal pa. Tapos may option to renew for another 50 years if they so choose. So, they're in talks to take over Camp John Hay. So, hopefully, maganda naman yung kahinat na nito. It's one of my favorite places in Baguio, no? Kasi, when you go to Baguio, minsan yung ibang mga lugar talagang sobrang traffic na, ang dami na sobrang tao. And whereas sa Camp John Hay, marami pa rin namang tao, at least ramdam mo pa, kumbaga, yung open space. Whereas sa ibang lugar talaga, minsan ang sikip na eh. Kahit nga sa palengke, minsan talagang wall to wall na, no? Parang hindi mo na nakikita yung sahig. So, I hope maganda naman yung gawin nila, hindi maging sobrang commercialized yung Camp John Hay. Baka magulat na lang tayo pagpunta natin doon, wala nang bundok, no? Lahat building na. So wag naman sana. Okay, sana ma-maintain nila yung quote-unquote natural beauty ng lugar na yon, and hindi naman siya talaga siya tuluyan na ma-commercialize to the extent na wala. Parang syudad na yung feeling niya rather than a more naturey or mountainous na area. Okay? Now, hindi ako sure sa track record ng CPG sa mga ganitong type of projects. Meron ba kayong mga alam? 'Di ba? Meron na ba silang mga nagawang parang ganito? If you know of them, please post in the comment section, no? Post some links. Gusto ko rin sanang makita. Interested din ako. I'm curious to see what we can expect from them moving forward kung talagang ang matuloy itong takeover na to. Okay? And then for our final news item, SEC approves CTS Global IPO. Now, CTS Global, parang sister company ng call, no? Except nakafocus sila sa global markets. So, wala pa pong complete details tong IPO na to, kaya hindi pa ako gumagawa ng video. But, ang sabi nila, yung pera daw na makukuha nila from this IPO, which I think is around 1.3 billion, gagamitin nila para, kumbaga, mas kumita pa yung fund nila, yung company nila, so to speak. Pero double-edged sword yun, no? Just because you pour more money into the fund, pour more money into investing in the market, it doesn't necessarily translate to more gains. It could also translate to more losses. As always, yung trading or investing, double-edged sword yan eh. There's no guarantee na porket nagdagdag ka ng pera or porket nagtatrade ka. Ibig sabihin, ang kailangang kahinatnan nun ay positive gains. 'Di ba? Walang trader na lagi araw-araw, linggo-linggo, buwan-buwan ay kumikita. 'Di ba? Minsan may taon na lilipas na talagang hindi ka kumita. Kailangan tanggapin mo 'yon, part of doing business. So the same goes for any bigger company or bigger fund trying to trade. Hindi po 'yan unique na porket individual trader may mga araw, linggo, buwan, taon na nalulugi. Ibig sabihin kapag malaking kumpanya ka, hindi na. Okay? It still applies to them. So, kapag mas marami na pong detalye na lumabas about this, you guys can rest assured that we'll have a video focusing on the details dito sa CTS Global IPO, no? But for now, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Tingin nyo ba this is a good thing? Is this a bad thing? Is this something that you're excited about? Feeling nyo ba magiging parang call yung itsura ng chart nila? Or what have you? Let me know, no? Huwag po kayo mahiya. Post lang po ng post sa comment section below. Okay? So guys, dito po nagtatapos yung video natin, no? I hope na nagustuhan nyo yung feel nitong quote-unquote revamp na Grumperiodicals natin. Okay? Kung ayaw nyo siya, gusto nyo siya, whatever, all your thoughts, post them in the comment section below. Okay? I'm really pushing this because I really want to hear what you guys think. Gusto ko kayong makausap, gusto ko kayong makakwentuhan, no? So, huwag po mahiya, post lang po ng post. Okay? And as always, guys, maraming salamat po sa panonood. I really appreciate it. Good luck and happy trading!